Let's be honest with ourselves. Chelsea could have drew this game and returned back to Stamford Bridge with dignity and honor instead of losing to Arsenal home and away. Eh? Imagine the entire 90 minutes Chelsea has no threat against Arsenal. No threat, no chances created. Abana, this is no good. This is no good at all against Chelsea. This record is not good. Abba, Abba. And imagine the player that you guys not like, Kai Havertz, is the one that scored the winning goal pointing to Arsenal jersey. This is not good. This is not a good record from Chelsea. This is not what I expected. This is not. I expect more from Chelsea. This is not what I expected now. Abba. And at 9 minutes, you guys are coming to fight with Arsenal that understand how to pack the box. Arsenal, that their defense is so tight. See how they attack you guys. God. Chelsea, you guys disappointed me. You guys disappointed me.